Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your Facebook account name in 2026. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open Facebook account, click your menu. After click menu, click your setting and privacy, click account center. After click account center, click profile and personal details. Okay, your profile and click the name option. For example, first name Amir, you can change in other name. Very easy. That was it from this tutorial video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Please like the video and subscribe Techful channel. Good luck.